Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 2-bath, second floor upmarket apartment for sale in Canvas 82. Canvas 82 was completed in 2019, has very modern finishes, and this apartment in particular is as good as new. It is 91 square meters, has space for a lounge, a dining area, and has a spacious kitchen. You also have a carport, covered carport, plenty of visitors parking, as well as communal areas with a pool, a gym, a kids pool as well, kids play area, and a clubhouse with 24-hour security as well. So I'm pretty excited to show this one to you, so come on right in. The kitchen of this upmarket apartment has space for a double door fridge, space for 2 under-counter appliances, a double sink, an induction stove, an under-counter oven, extractor fan, a pantry, all topped with scissor stone countertops. It features an open plan design with the kitchen leading to your dining area and your dining area leading to your spacious lounge. Your spacious lounge takes you directly onto the huge balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee as well as the sun. These are the views you get to enjoy on a daily basis. Let's head back inside. To the left, you've got the shared bathroom, which has a shower, a vanity basin, a vanity mirror, as well as a loo, tiled from top to bottom with modernized finishes. Then you have the second bedroom. It has enough space to allow for a double, queen, or king-sized bed with plenty of built-in cupboard space as well. On the other end, we have the main bedroom. The main bedroom has an ensuite bathroom which has both a bathtub and a shower, a vanity mirror as well, a loo, a basin, towel rack, and tiled from top to bottom with modernized finishes. The main bedroom is very spacious, with space for a king-size bed as well as plenty of cupboard space, and you can also put your own work from home desk in the main bedroom as well. And that is the 2-bed, 2-bath upmarket 91 square meter apartment. Next we have the communal areas. Firstly, we have this Olympic-sized communal pool. There is also a kids pool attached to this Olympic-sized pool. But that's not all. You have a clubhouse, 24-hour security, a communal gym, as well as a kids play area. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the 2-bed, 2-bath upmarket apartment. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing, just click on the link below.